Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Let's solve these nice radical equations, but I have just only one method to solve this. If you have any other method of solving this, you can drop it in the comment box. So for the first step, let's consider the solution from here. So we have two different radical. We have this as root a and we have this as root minus a. It's very simple to solve by considering from here. Here is root a plus, we have this as square root of minus a. But anytime we have square root of minus a, so we consider it as square root of minus 1 multiplied by a equals 32. Then let's separate this minus 1 and a from this root. So both of them, they will be sharing this root, as we have root a plus, here becomes root minus 1 multiplied by root a equals 32. Then we have to note that, let's say we have square root of minus 1. So this gives I, that is iota, which means when we take the square of both sides, we are going to have minus 1 equals I squared. Let's try and note these two down. Then here we have square root of a plus, as we have square root of minus 1 equals I, we just try and replace it, and this becomes I root a equals 32. In the next step, let's factor out root a from here. By factoring out root a, we have this as root a bracket. Let's divide this one by root a. We have it as 1 plus, also by dividing this one by root a, we are left with I, and this equals 32. Then since we need to find a here, let's divide both sides by 1 plus I. By dividing both sides by 1 plus I, we have this as root a equals 32 divided by 1 plus I. So here we have numerator and here we have denominator. We have an imaginary values at the numerator. So what we do is we try and make sure that there is no any imaginary value at the denominator. And what we do is by taking the rationalization of this. By rationalizing this, we have root a equals 32 divided by, we write the equation again as 1 plus I. Then we multiply this one by the conjugate of this. And conjugate of this is 1 minus I. We also divide it by 1 minus I. So by multiplying this together, we have root a equals 32 times 1 minus I. That gives us 32 open bracket 1 minus I divided by, and also we have 1 plus I multiplied by 1 minus I. Looking at this, they are the same. The only difference is this is positive and this is negative. So anytime we have a kind of expression like this, same number but differences in operation, what we do is we multiply the first number with the first number, the last number with the last number here. So 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1. Then here is plus and here is minus. Plus times minus, that is minus. I times I, we have it as I squared. But from the above, if you have I squared, that is minus 1. Therefore, we have to replace this I squared here with minus 1. And we have root A equals 32 bracket 1 minus I divided by, so when this one changed to minus 1, the minus times minus, that is plus, and 1 plus 1, that gives us 2. So therefore we have, if this is what we have, 2 will divide 32 in 16 times, and here we have root A equals 16 bracket 1 minus I. Then let's take the square of both sides. Here we have square root, and by taking the square of both sides, we have square root of A raised to power 2 equals 16 open bracket 1 minus I, then all raised to power of 2. Square and square root cancelled. When square and square root cancelled, we have A equals, so here is bigger bracket and we have two numbers in it. It means 16 will take squared and 1 minus I will also take squared. Here we have 16 squared and multiply by 1 minus I squared. So when we have 1 minus I squared, we consider from this expression as, suppose we have m minus n raised to power of 2. This equals m squared plus n squared minus 2mn. So by applying it with this, we are going to have A equals 16 squared bracket, so m is 1, that is 1 squared, we have it as 1. Then n here is I, and I squared here, that is minus 1, because I squared, it gives us minus 1. Then we have minus 2. So here is m, that is times 1, and I here, that is for n. After this, we have A equals 16 squared, that is 256 bracket plus 1 minus 1 cancelled, and minus 2 multiplied by R, 1 multiplied by I, this gives us minus 2I. And by multiplying these together, we are going to have A equals, we multiply 256 by 2, we have it as minus 512. Then multiply by I. This is the value of A that satisfies this problem. So as I said earlier, if you have another method of solving this different from what I did, because I only know one method of solving it, so we can drop it in the comment box. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.